Is Apple's popular AirTag dangerous to your dog? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Apple AirTag is my #1 pick for keeping track of your furry friend. You do need to be careful though with them, as your dog might confuse them for a snack, and that's one vet bill you do not want to pay. And likely why Apple says the AirTag is not recommended for pets. So how dangerous is an AirTag for your dog? It's only dangerous if the dog swallows it, and unfortunately there have been multiple incidents of this occurring that people have spoken about on social media. Here's what you don't want to happen. If your dog chews it and the AirTag breaks apart while in your dog's body, it could complicate things and potentially require surgery. This is because the AirTag has a lithium battery inside of it, and if that gets damaged, it could leak caustic substances that can damage your dog's mouth or stomach or lead to poisoning. So how can you avoid this from happening to your pet? Well, the best way is to ensure that your dog never eats an AirTag you put on them by attaching it real tight and snug to their collar. The AirTag holder on their collar should not have any hanging component that a dog could reach or get it into their mouth to chew. There are tons of options over at Amazon. My top 3 picks are the Pup Culture AirTag dog collar holder, the Casetech AirTag holder, and the Cityway IPX8 waterproof AirTag holder. These products are durable, will keep your dog and AirTag safe, and give you peace of mind as you can track them at any point. For more info about AirTags and keeping your pets safe, head to cyberguy.com. While you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.